Welcome to Miss Damtastic. This series follows the full Year 7 Maths curriculum based on the UK curriculum. Each lesson is explained step by step with clear examples and practice to help you build confidence in maths. Whether you are revising, catching up or learning ahead, you are in the right place. Let's begin today's lesson on prime factorisation. Please pause your video and have an attempt at these 5 questions as part of your starter task. Please mark your answers. Okay, today's lesson we are going to cover prime factorisation. So you will learn how to write a number as a product of its prime factors. The knowledge components are why 1 is not a prime number, numbers can be written as product of prime factors, divisibility test can be used to find factors, and knowing prime numbers up to 20. Some of the key words are factors, multiples, integers, multiply and divide. To stamp it. Prime numbers are positive integers, i.e. they are whole numbers that have only 2 factors, themselves and 1. 1 is not a prime number as it only has 1 factor. Let's work through an example to see what this looks like. Write 24 as a product of its prime factors using a factor tree. So here we will find all the factors of 24. So 2 times 12 is equal to 24. 2 is a prime number, so I will circle that. Now 12, I can break that down further to 2 times 6. 2 again is a prime number, I will circle it. 6, I can break that down to 2 times 3, both of which are prime numbers. I can then write this out as 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And if you work this out, you will get the answer 24. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 3 is 24. Write 65 as a product of its prime factors using a factor tree. Give your answers in index form. So 65 divided by 5 will give us 13. So 5 times 13 is 65, and both of which are prime numbers. So we can write this as 5 times 13. Now, we've got 1 5 and we've got 1 13. So this is the same as writing it as a 5 to the power of 1 and 13 to the power of 1. Following on from the work that we did with indices. Next, I would like you to pause the screen and have a go at this question. Express 60 as a product of its prime factors. Again, we will break this down. So 6 times 10 is 60, so 6 can be broken down to 2 times 3, both of which are prime numbers. 10 can be broken down to 2 times 5, both of which are prime numbers. So 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 is equal to 60. Pause the screen and have a go at this question. Express 150 as a product of its prime factors. So 150, it can be broken down to 15 times 10. 15 can be broken down to 3 times 5, both of which are prime numbers. And 10 is broken down to 2 times 5, which are both prime numbers. So 2 times 3 times 5 times 5. It doesn't tell us to write this in index form. But if you do want to, it would be 2 times 3 times 5 to the power of 2. Okay, I'd like you to pause the screen now and have a go at this question. Okay, so we'll start by multiplying the powers first. So 2 times 3 squared is 9 times 5. So 2 times 9 is 18. And 18 times 5 will give us 90. So this answer B is correct. Pause the video and have a go at these questions. I will put the answers on the screen. Please mark your answers. Pause the video and answer this super challenge question. Ashley has completed his homework. Can you spot any mistakes? Express 36 as a product of its prime factors. Yes, that's right. His mistake is in multiplication. 2 times 3 is 6, not 3 times 3, which is 9. Write 24 as a product of its prime factors. Give your answer in index form. That's the final step that he has missed out. So it should have been 2 to the power of 3 times 3. I would now like you to pause your video and have a go at the exit ticket. Please mark your answers. Great job, well done today. If this lesson helped you, please subscribe to Mr. Fantastic for the full Year 7 Maths curriculum. Keep practicing using the questions from this lesson and move on to the next video when you are ready. See you in the next lesson. Bye.